So this is my 14 F350 Platinum. Bought it new in April of 2013 with the truck. It has the Bushwhacker extended fenders, Gatorback kickback flaps, BMF 20x9s, and GoodYear Duratrac 325/60/20s. The tires are pretty new. I just picked them up like 2 months ago. LED rigid lighting for reverse, or it can stay on all the time, either or. Also have another LED in there. The Extang Trifecta Tonneau cover that works perfectly with this toolbox. I had my running boards and mud flap brackets lie next. 2.5-inch Pro Comp leveling kit for the front, as well as AirLift helper airbags for the rear. It's wireless manifold and has a compressor on board. It's a pretty cool setup. Paint matched grill surround. It's my fog lights, rigid D2s, and a rigid E2 combo light. So here we have it, 125,000 kilometers. That's the dash cam. It's forward reverse dash cam, one there, one in the back, cords to a memory card. Let's see. So heated, cooled seats, rear seats heated. Has everything there.
K8 and
Cops around. Upfitter switches, fog lights, the radar detector. Turn that on. Interior LEDs, which are just blue LEDs in the footwells, and then my big light bar out front. It's obviously very well kept. There's the power moonroof. Here's the airbag controller, up or down. The compressor will kick on, as you can hear. So it'll raise the back end a little bit, take tension, and yeah. There's the rear.